Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living for ehow.com, showing you how to make a pineapple and celery salad. This is a great refreshing salad for the summer months, and all we have here really is just some nice butter lettuce, some red onion, and some dried fruit. I think I have some cherries on here, and I'm going to add in a little bit more celery. And also some pineapple. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C. It has an enzyme called bromelain, which helps you digest food, and it's an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory too. I'm gonna make a very simple dressing that we can just whisk up here in this bowl. We're gonna start with some olive oil and a little bit of balsamic vinegar, giving a nice zing. And of course we want to bring the pineapple flavor into it, so I've got a little bit of this pineapple juice. Whenever you're storing pineapple, there'll be some juice at the bottom. You can just use that. I'm going to use a little parsley here and some crushed garlic. And of course you might want to add a little bit of salt to this too. There's a little salt here. And whisk it. And just pour it on your salad. And there you have it, a pineapple celery salad. This is Dr. Linda Joy Rose for ehow.com.